Would you believe me if I said this was a butter-based cake? Well, not butter, more like melted butter-based cake. Yeah, well it is, and I am going to show you how I make it. It all started from here. So I was about to use my packed butter. This is the sealed pack for a cake order, and I realized there were hands in it. I just got tired and I put it in the fridge. Fast forward to 2 days later, the day before my baby's birthday, and I was like, okay, fine. Let me find a recipe that uses melted butter to make a cake because I just was not interested in creaming or anything. Or actually, let me be honest, there was no light, right? There was no light, so and I was not interested in doing anything manual. So I went online, searched, but what I found were well quite tough. So occurred to me, just suddenly occurred to me that wait, my pancake recipe. So this is not the first time I am making like cake out of it or like baking it in a like cake pan, right? But this is the first time I'm making it on this scale because the first time I made it was actually pancake, but I just like kept a little portion. I just kept it to bake in the oven, like a recipe of mine. This is practically the entire process. You can see some of the measurements, the scales, the weight on the scale. I prefer using a scale to cups. It's the best, it's the easiest form of measurement, right? Liquid is when you can be contemplating with cups. I'm trying to think of if there's any like other information I'm supposed to pass across, but I think that's about it. So okay, so the egg coming after is like an important factor of my both in my pancake recipe and in my vanilla cake recipe. So the egg whites coming last. I actually adapted it to my regular vanilla cake recipe and it does make a difference. So like I said, let me know if you do want the recipe, the full recipe. And the significance of what I'm adding is to ensure even distribution of the heat and to prevent burning of a cupcake. And this is my mom trying it out. Get my career together. Wow. Right, pancake recipe, the official. So here's a close up on how the cake, on how the cake looks on the inside, of how the cake look on. Oh God, of how the cake looks on the. Oh Jesus Christ, have mercy. I'll leave you to the rest of the video with the original audio. And like I said, if you do have any questions, do not hesitate to ask in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye. Mwah. And also, actually, forget it. No, it's fine. Bye. Thank you for watching.
That's what are we going to do?
That looks really, 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 really good.
We have to do something.
This is the second one.
Neka, what are you doing here now? I told you that you should give me some time to discuss with
And then
the
this is the third
please
one.
go back inside. I'll come and meet you when I'm done with the conversation. Please. What are you doing out here now?
I'll make sure you have a taste of your destiny.
Yep.
If I don't do it,